Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we need to transform dy over dx. Next I will put y square go to the left, dx go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So, the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over y. Now, we need to focus on this one. So, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to sin3x. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 3 cosine 3x dx dv, that is about e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v Now we can use integration by parts again, but this one that should be about cosine 3x, and this is about negative number 3 sin 3x. So in this one we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, negative and negative we have positive, and then we have number 3. So we have the integration e to the power of s sin 3x ds. So negative number 3 multiplied by this one and this one. So this one equals to this one. Now I will put this one go to the right. Number 9 plus number 1, we have number 10. And now we divide both sides by number 10. And then I will put about sin here. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we have the condition. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here, and here, and here, and here. So we can find the value of c. So this one you got number 0. This one that is about number 1. So we have negative number 3 over number 10 in here. this one that is about number 1. So c equals to negative number 1 plus number 3 over 10. And this one we have negative number 7 over number 10. So I will put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.